Shidim Shuri. It is Wednesday, Jan 29, 2025. Big day today. Powell. Fed decision. Interest rate. I do not expect the Fed to do anything as far as cutting rates. What the market will care more is, of course, the words that come out of his mouth when he take the podium in the afternoon, whether he give hint that a cut is coming next month. That's what the market is expected. The market is expecting zero cut right now, and then a cut next month. Who knows? Econ data will be the driving force, so we'll see what the econ data will be going forward. Starting last week, we start to see some pretty ugly looking jobless claim for those that pay attention. And then of course tomorrow will be jobless claim Thursday, with a whole bunch of other stuff coming. So there is, of course, econ data today as well. But let's talk about some med device that I have not talked about, but has some amazing move this past 2 weeks. Holy moly. Look at Abbott. Wowza. Now, is that the end? What is this purple line? I have not traded Abbott in seem like a year. It's been a long time. Took my eyes off this. And for those that have it, congratulations. That is a big 10% move. When you're going from 110, 112-ish to 127, it's a 10-12% move in a week. Anytime you get a double-digit move in a week, you say thank you and get out. But let's go back 3 years to see. You see this purple line? Wow, look at this craze. This chart is so busy. Let's ignore all that stuff back there. I think we can ignore this right here. Remove that. Let's clean this chart up a little bit if we can, right? But yeah, look at this. This purple line is, of course, a channel. Somewhat of a channel going back 3 years. Regardless, this could be the top for Abbott, right? If not, look, it's not random that it came up here and then quickly sold off, because it could be rev high, right? Way back here. So you're talking about, let's go back even 5 years. Yeah, it is at, see, right here. It's not random, okay? You're talking rev high. Only a brief period that it went above it and quickly sold off. So it has reached the critical point of where it struggled here, and here, and then it has not seen this for 3 years. It's been a painful slide and sideways, big range. So if you have it, take your winning. I wouldn't hold on to it, but it's up to you. The other one that have insane move as well, Medtronic. Holy cow. All right. I had Medtronic, gone. It's gone. And rev high. All right. Rev high. Yeah. This is no joke. Okay. Look. Rev high. Okay. This is TA. All right. In TA, you must trust. I will trust. I always trust. Okay, you can't ignore reality that this could be it. Now, of course, if you lose TA, there's other area above. I have not delved into the earning to see is the stock warrant this kind of move, is the guidance. I don't know. All right, if you have it, of course, earning is not there yet. This is more of a sentiment move come out of ABT and other med device. Now the one I have not moved is the one I have. Oh, yes. In fact, EW got a downgrade last week. It did move a little bit yesterday, but I have some. Not a lot. I have some. It's not making me money. It's basically even Steven. I bought it here. I thought about adding here. I did not. But because you know how this was resistant, and I thought, okay, it finally looked like it's moved beyond resistant, and then it promptly got the downgrade right here. It got more than one downgrade. It got beat up. That's okay. We'll see if there's gonna be a catch-up trade. It will be sweet, right? I threw in some share. I might buy some more just to see if there's gonna be a nice, sweet 20% move. Yeah, it could be a 20% move if it closed that gap. Who doesn't like to gamble? The casino is open. All right, let's stay on healthcare. Let's take a look at some healthcare company. ELV. Hey, nice bounce off the bottom, right? If you have to get caught below 400, it was pretty ugly. Things look pretty bleak. Not bad. All right. Yes, I did trim. On this big move here. I trimmed some more up here. And for now, I have a few shares left, and I'm staying greedy with the rest of my share. So, the 100 MA, and then that gap, right? But nothing else before. Humana, looking good, but would I trim? You see this alert at 314? Yeah. If that alert go off, I do have a sell right here at rev high, and then another one at the 200 that's coming down 316. Mine ordered at 317. So if there's an overshoot, that's fine. But 317, I have one at 314 and 317. Now, would I take out the ref high? I might just leave the 317. We'll see. I don't hate it. The sentiment is not as ugly. Time heals all wounds. People tend to forget, which is kind of surprised, because if you know, Bobby Kennedy Jr. is up for the hearing this week. In fact, might be even today, and his vote is going to come tomorrow or Friday. So if he gets voted in, perhaps the fear will return, right? So watch out. UNH, same thing. Nice bounce off the nasty fall. That was nasty. That was one of the nastiest things that we saw, right? When it was falling from 620-ish all the way down to 480-ish. The decline happened over 2 weeks. That's nasty. It has basically came back halfway almost, right? So it have, but this could be, if you have it, for those that have it, I would say for sure you should have trimmed some, and look to trim more up there, wherever the 100 is. Okay, you should. All right. So I can't stress enough that you should look to trim at the 100. Last one for today, of course, is Cigna. Same thing. Ugly 2 weeks. Hit that spot. That was the spot that I said was a key bottom, right? And it has come back halfway into resistance potentially. It sliced through this floor like hot butter, and then it did a nice bounce here. It took it 6 weeks. Yeah. It came down in 2 weeks. It takes 6 weeks. You know the old saying, stock take the elevator down and take the stair up. Yeah, it held true. Could this be the short-term top? I would say yes. If you have it, for sure you should have trimmed. And if not, that 100 is just like UNH, is a trim. If it can make it through, oh my God, GTFO at the 200. All right, people. Let's see how Powell will impact the market later this afternoon. Whatever's going on in the morning, best advice I can give you is sit on your hand, wait for the fireworks after 2 p.m. Bye-bye.